All viewer and dears, today once again Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we have a new question for you. This question is basically belong to the algebra equation. So how we calculate the value of x? We have already done various videos on this topics, on this question similarly. So now today we have a very interesting question. Let's come. This question is x square divided by 49 is equal to 49 divided by x square. How we can find or calculate the value of x is unknown. So in this type of question is very different method we are using in here. But if this method is very simple, if we taking cross multiplication, so we can write x square dot x square is equal to 49 dot 49. We have the rule when the bases are same, so we add their exponent. Similarly, we have power 2 plus 2, and similarly when the base are same, we can write 1 plus 1. X exponent of 4 is equal to 49 square. Now we transfer this result to the left side. Their sign is also changed. So their sign is positive here. To the left side we change, we get negative. Now we are trying to make their formula. So we can write according to the double exponent rule. All x exponent of m whole exponent of n is equal to x m n. According to the exponent rules we are applying, we are making from x exponent of 4, we can write x square whole square minus 49 whole square is equal to 0. Now we have the formula for the here is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. According to this formula, we try to make this result is x square minus 49 into x square plus 49 is equal to 0. That means that x square minus 49 is equal to 0. Either n x square plus 49 is equal to 0. Both results are square minus 49 is equal to 0. If we transfer this result, so we get is equal to x square is equal to 49. Now taking square root on both sides of this equation, 49 square root both are cancelled, x is equal to plus minus, hence 49 we can write 7 square both are cancelled, x is equal to plus minus 7, we get one of the result. Similarly, we can simplify x square plus 49 is equal to 0, x square is equal to minus 49. We transfer this result to the sign. Now when here is negative, we change into complex form according to the, as we know that iota square is equal to minus 1, and this term we can write minus 1 multiplied by 49. So we can replace this result 49 iota square. In the place of minus 1 we put iota square. So we get x square is equal to 49 iota square. Further we can write this term 7 iota whole square. Now taking square root on both sides, x square root plus minus 7 iota whole square root both are cancelled, and x is equal to plus minus 7 iota is the another result. So x square multiplied by x square we get x exponent of 4. So for this reason we get 4 roots of this equation. If you want to check the one of the result is what will happen, there is one to check, and x square in the place of x square plus we get 7 square divided by 49, x is equal to 7, we check So this will be question mark 49 divided by and 7 square. Now 49 divided by 49 is equal to 49 divided by 49. Both are same. So both are cancel also to each other. We get 1 is equal to 1. So our solution is correct. Similarly, if we take negative value x is equal to 7 iota or negative value minus 7, what will happen in here? So the same result we get 7 iota square divided by 49 is equal to 49 divided by 7 iota whole square. Both results are same, so expand this term, we get 49 minus 1 divided by 49 is equal to 49 divided by 7 square. We get 7 square is 49, 49 and iota square we get minus 1. So expand them, both are cancel this one. So we get minus 1 is equal to minus 1. This one is divided by minus 1, we get minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So both result, all roots are the same result, 7 plus minus 7, one of the result, and the other is plus minus 7 iota is the other roots of the equation. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.